This is Debbie from Project 39, and I want to share this mini album with you. This is a new one. It is 5.5 by 7.5, so it's perfect for those 4 by 6 photos. I just use stickers to decorate the cover, and on the spine, I usually leave it plain, but in this case, this textured fabric paper was really cool. Reminds me of dragon skin or warts or something like that. And I just thought it would be a nice addition to this mini album. So inside, there's a pocket in the front. This was from the sticker sheet, 10 Things We Did in October. And room on the back for more journaling. And here would be a good spot to put the date maybe and what you did in October. And then also, this is big enough to put a photo on. So that can go in the pocket. And of course, you can move things around when you purchase this book. And it is for sale in my Etsy shop. So this page is held together with a magnet. This is a Tim Holtz skull and crossbone that I just epoxied onto some punches. Room here for a photo. And a lot of people wonder how you put photos in books. So this opens a little. And here's a picture, not a relative of mine. Not sure who that is, but I just thought it'd be good to show you how that goes in this book. So there's room enough on the sides for a border still of the paper, so you don't lose the paper when you put the photos in. And then this opens up, so again, you can put pictures there, and it would look fabulous on each of the pages. Now, I don't know if your relatives look like that, but that seemed to work for me. And then this opens up. These are held together with a little magnet, and so these open up. And that's the top of them. But here's the bottom. And so this is a spot, a tuck spot. If you don't want to use it as a tuck spot, you can just put a photo right over the top of there, and you still get some of the elements of the page. But if you had a smaller photo, of course, that one doesn't work there, but I'll show you how it would. You could put a photo if you were able to crop some of the excess off of your pictures. And this is just cut out of the page. And when I do that, I do back it with some real strong packing tape, and that just makes it so it doesn't tear. So same with this one. This is cut into the paper, and you could just take the photo and put it like that, but also you could take the photo and stick it there. So in this case, that would work because you're not losing any of the picture, but of course you would have to trim it down a little. Or put a picture on here, and that'll sit in there nicely. So again, that's a magnetic closure, and I had these brads in my stash, and I thought they would work real well with this paper. So this is held together with a magnet, and this is another brad that is a bat brad, and that opens like this. These are little tuck spots. They're not like a pocket. It's just adhered on one side. So you could take out these, and then this still adds a little decorative element to the picture. And same over here. But otherwise you can use this and journal on the back, stick a photo on it. There's room to journal there. And that just makes a nice presentation. And of course, room to put a beautiful picture. So this opens like this. And here's another little tuck spot. It says our day at the pumpkin patch. And room to put a picture on the back, a small one. But otherwise you could put that there. Becomes part of the whole composition. And room for a picture. And then here's another little tuck spot with that. And this opens like this. And this actually opens all the way. So there is a 4-page spread. So that makes a large area to put some pictures. Then room to put her there again. And then in the back, I do like to put these pockets with a lid on it. And there's room here, so there's a nice journaling card here and room to put a photo. Same with that, room for a photo and room for a photo. So if you were to have landscape photos, and this book is really made for portrait photos, then you take them and you put them in the back. Whether you put them on one of these journaling cards or not, they would look nice just in the back of the book. And then you can open it up and share that with your friends. So I did have some ant. I just thought the creepy crawly would look good. So that just winds around there. And this is a Tim Holtz token of a bat. And I thought that looked cute there. So there we go. There is another mini album by Project 39 Mini Albums. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you can see what else I have coming. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.